Okay, so how to wash your face plastic free. I have a little bit of makeup on, just an all natural plastic free products by Dirty Hippie. And to take it off, I use water, a washcloth, and some oil. And that's also how I'm gonna moisturize my face as well. Okay, so I'm gonna tie my hair back. Always good to not get the hair tied in. And then what I do is I'm going to turn on the water. It's going to be warm water, and I'm going to use the washcloth to just dampen the face. And then I'm going to put on the oil and use a corner of the washcloth to get the eye makeup off, and then the rest of the washcloth to just wipe the oil away. And that's how we moisturize our skin, is wet the skin so it's covered in water, and the pores start to absorb that water, and then the oil traps it into our skin. Wet skin. And now a little bit of oil. I just put it straight in my hand, about a dollar piece, quarter size. And I don't do the eyes first. I'm gonna do the face. This is really nice. And then I use the washcloth to the eyes. And I rinse that. And now my face is still wet. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of the oil, and you'll have to try different oils to see which one works best for your skin. I like the macadamia. It's local to where I live. We have a lot of macadamia farms here, so that's really nice to support the local ecosystem and not have too many miles to transport a product. And yeah, so that's it. And then you can dry it. Sometimes I like to leave it a little bit wet or damp, but just up to you, personal preference. So clean.